I'm down here on my favorite beach, taking a little break after the busy holidays there back in Michigan. Everybody wants some of this. It is so beautiful here. I'm going to tell you about this beach and that there's something very special about it. But first, I need to tell you that next Wednesday, January 23rd, is National Pie Day. Years ago, we never really paid attention to all these silly National Bubblegum Day, National, Donut Day, National, that the government decided it would be a good idea to make a national holiday every single day of the year. And so we didn't pay no attention to it. But then my nephew Scott Brown talked some sense into us one day and said, I don't know why you're not taking advantage of a National Pie Day. All of your other big pie manufacturers are, celebrating National Pie Day. So we thought we would get on the bandwagon, and it turned out to be a really great thing. So next Wednesday, National Pie Day, NPD, on 1-2-3, January 23rd, we have asked you, our customers, our guests, what pie would you like to see us sell on special, promote, feature? And 80% of you guys say the same thing. You love our signature pie. It's the Michigan Four-Berry. So all the Michigan Four-Berry pies will be on sale for $10 that day. And they're normally $18, so that's a huge savings. And you can go to the link below, go ahead and pre-order yours. If you want to, buy 10, or there's no limit. If you want to treat everybody in your office, everybody at the shop, now's the time to do it. The Michigan Four-Berry really appeals to so many people. Everybody loves it. So go ahead, order yours today. If you use the code NPD10, you'll get that $10 off there on our website. Just wanted to share that with you. You guys come and celebrate. All 6 of our pie shops will have the Michigan Four-Berry and our creamy pumpkin pie also on sale. So that one's really special too. You can order those as well. And that's the one with the cinnamon and sugar sprinkled around the crust. And we use heavy whipping cream in the filling that makes it extra special creamy. So you'll really like that one too. So all right, you guys, that's just to get the business out of the way. I want to tell you something about this beautiful beach. So wonderful for us Michiganders and all of us living in those freezing cold states up north here in January, to be able to come down here and take a little rest and relaxation, a little reprieve from the freezing cold temps. It's wonderful down here. I'm in Sarasota. I'm on Siesta Key. And this beach is made of, the sand is made of crystal quartz. It is so super white. I don't know if you can see it. I mean, you can see it behind me. It is like pure white. It's 99% crystal quartz. And if you have never experienced it, oh, Dave's gonna be so mad that I gave away our secret, but I really wanted to share with you this really super special beach. The sand never gets hot. It stays cool because it's so white, but there just seems to be some magical, special healing properties when you walk on this beach and sunbathe out here. Down here, it is beautiful. I'm so thankful to be here. And I'll see you guys next week on 1-2-3 NPD $10 M4B. All right, you guys, catch you next time.